911 Bill Smith Road is a one-level, hard to find in Cookeville City limits, duplex. The right side is a one-bedroom, one-bath, handicap accessible, open floor plan that has identical flooring and paint as this two-bedroom, one-bath side. It's nestled in the woods here in the city. You look like you're in the country in the back. Come on in and check out the inside. The current seller has cleaned it up nice. We have LVT flooring throughout that's nice and new, fresh neutral paint throughout. Have a galley kitchen, nice and clean, all the appliances. Study, family room. Hall, new water heater. We have bedroom number 1. And we have our washer and dryer space right by bedroom number 2. And bathroom at end of the hall. Tub shower combo. So this would be a great duplex for a tech student. If you're a parent and you don't want to pay rent or dorm fees when they come back to school, you can have your student in one side and rent the other. This side had previously rented for $650. It was going to be increased to like the $700 range. And the other side has a good renter in. She's over a year, and I think it brings in like $550. So check this out, 159.5 911 Bill Smith Road.